Friday going to come so I can take another class. And for me, it's just expressing what's within. And I just started with a white canvas, nothing, and then the colors started coming out. And at the very end, I found that it expressed my fears. I mean, this is supposed to be fear. I have fears for my home. I have fears for what's coming next. I have a terrible fear of birds. And I mean, I was able to put it all in one painting. So thank you very much, Bonnie. I mean, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah, I couldn't wait to get back this week. It's just so much fun and fascinating, and even though I've got a lot of art experiences, a lot of it's new to me. Yeah, it's great.
I love my painting. I love lemons. I love summertime. I'm a very positive person, so I wanted to exude that in my painting and express my zest for life, positivity, happiness. I think I did that.
It was out of my comfort zone.
Yeah.
And, learning to just put paint and color and paint and color and different techniques. This one looks the exact opposite of this one.
Yeah, it is.
Because these were all dark and this is all light.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
The techniques in here are in here too.
Oh,
Just
yeah,
in a different place and
different,
different
right?
color. Yeah.
Very free. Feel like I'm five. That it's a very calming, pleasant experience painting.